A 38-ton Doosan running a DH417 ALLU bucket, screening manure on a feedlot. Blade size is 1632. We have spaced it to 32mm to start with, which will give us a product around 0 to 40mm. We've done the same test on the pile to the left with the 16mm blades. A lot finer product, a lot less oversize. Still a great product. Another pile of manure here from the feedlot. This has got a mixture, bone, rock and manure. Some quite large fragment sizes here with some of the bone that's in this. But as you can see, processing this bucket really nicely. Great final product, 0 to 40mm. Oversize will be tipped out.